Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step.
Do you miss me today?
Yes, I missed you all morning.
What are you doing now?
I am talking to you and smiling.
Did you eat lunch?
Not yet, I was waiting for you.
Why are you quiet today?
I was just thinking about you.
Are you busy tonight?
No, I am free tonight.
Can we watch a movie online?
Yes, we can watch together.
Which movie do you like?
I like romantic movies.
Do you love romantic movies?
Yes, they feel sweet.
What did you do today?
I stayed at home today.
Did you think about me?
Yes, many times.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am at home.
Did you sleep well?
I slept well actually.
Are you tired today?
A little tired but okay.
Did you drink water?
Yes, I drank water.
Have you finished your work?
My work is finished.
Are you free to talk?
Yes, I am free now.
Can I call you?
You can call me.
Do you want to hear my voice?
I want to hear you.
Do you like my messages?
I love your messages.
Are you smiling now?
Yes, I am smiling.
Why are you smiling?
Because you are funny.
Do I make you happy?
You make me happy.
Are you waiting for me?
Yes, I was waiting.
Did you miss me last night?
Yes, I missed you.
Are you comfortable with me?
I feel comfortable with you.
Do you trust me?
Yes, I trust you.
Can I trust you?
You can trust me.
Do you care about me?
Yes, I care about you.
Do you like chatting daily?
I like chatting daily.
Are you bored sometimes?
No, never bored.
Do you enjoy our talks?
I really enjoy them.
Will you talk tomorrow?
Yes, I will talk.
Are you sleepy now?
Not sleepy yet.
Should we talk longer?
We can talk longer.
Can I tell you something?
Yes, tell me.
Do you want to know a secret?
I want to know.
Are you listening carefully?
Yes, I am listening.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand.
Do you feel close to me?
I feel close to you.
Do you feel safe with me?
I feel safe with you.
Will you stay tonight?
I will stay tonight.
Can we talk every day?
Yes, every day.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I like surprises.
Do you like gifts?
Yes, I like gifts.
Do you like flowers?
I like flowers.
Which color do you like?
I like pink.
Do you like pink?
Pink is pretty.
Do you like white?
White is nice too.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What song do you like?
I like soft songs.
Do you remember our first chat?
Yes, I remember it.
Were you nervous that day?
Yes, very nervous.
Did you feel shy?
I was shy.
Are you still shy?
Less shy now.
Are you comfortable now?
Yes, comfortable now.
Did I make you relaxed?
You made me relaxed.
Do you enjoy my jokes?
Yes, your jokes are cute.
Do you laugh at them?
I laugh a lot.
Am I funny sometimes?
Yes, you are funny.
Do you like my voice?
I like your voice.
Do you want to hear me sing?
Yes, please sing.
Will you laugh if I sing?
I will not laugh.
Do you like late night talks?
I love late talks.
Do you stay awake for me?
Yes, for you.
Do you wait for my message?
Yes, I wait.
Do you check your phone often?
I check often.
Do you like morning texts?
Yes, I like them.
Should I send one daily?
Send daily, please.
Will you reply fast?
I will reply fast.
Do you remember me daily?
I remember you daily.
Do you think about us?
Yes, I think about us.
Do you imagine our meeting?
I imagine meeting.
Will we meet someday?
Yes, someday.
Will you walk with me?
I will walk with you.
Can I hold your hand?
Yes, you can.
Will you smile at me?
I will smile.
Will you look into my eyes?
Yes, I will.
Will you sit beside me?
I will sit beside you.
Will you talk softly?
I will talk softly.
Will you laugh with me?
I will laugh.
Do you like simple dates?
I like simple dates.
Do you like coffee shops?
Coffee shops are nice.
Do you like parks?
I like parks.
Do you like quiet places?
Quiet places are best.
Do you like sunsets?
I love sunsets.
Do you like rain?
Rain feels romantic.
Do you like winter?
Winter is cozy.
Do you like summer?
Summer is warm.
Which season do you like?
I like spring most.
Do you get jealous sometimes?
Sometimes a little.
Do you worry about me?
Yes, I worry.
Will you tell me your problems?
I will tell you.
Can I help you always?
You always help.
Will you support me?
I will support you.
Will you stay honest?
I will stay honest.
Will you stay loyal?
I will stay loyal.
Do you believe in love?
Yes, I believe.
Do you believe in destiny?
Yes, destiny exists.
Do you believe in us?
I believe in us.
Are you happy with me?
I am happy with you.
Do you feel lucky?
I feel lucky.
Do you feel special?
I feel special.
Do you like my nickname?
I like it a lot.
Will you call me yours?
You can call me yours.
Do you feel connected?
I feel connected.
Is your heart calm?
My heart is calm.
Do you feel peaceful?
I feel peaceful.
Do you want a hug?
Yes, I want a hug.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, better now.
Can I send a kiss emoji?
Yes, send it.
Did you like it?
I liked it.
Are you blushing now?
Yes, blushing.
Are you laughing now?
Yes, laughing.
Are you happy tonight?
Very happy tonight.
Am I the reason?
Yes, you are.
Will you dream of me?
Yes, I will dream.
Will you miss me later?
I will miss you.
Will you text me at night?
I will text.
Can I text you late?
You can text.
Will you reply if awake?
Yes, I will reply.
Do you care this much?
Yes, I care.
Are you mine?
I am yours.
Am I yours?
You are mine.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you.
Can I say I love you?
You can say it.
Will you remember me?
I will remember.
Will you stay forever?
I will stay.
Will distance matter?
Distance will not matter.
Will time change us?
Time will not change us.
Will we stay strong?
We will stay strong.
Will we stay together?
We stay together.
Can we promise today?
Yes, promise.
Will you keep that promise?
I will keep it.
Can I trust your heart?
You can trust me.
Will you hold my heart?
I will hold it.
Are you sleepy now?
Not very sleepy.
Should we say good night?
We can say good night.
Can we talk tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow.
Same time tomorrow?
Same time tomorrow.
Will you wait for me?
I will wait.
Will you miss me again?
I will miss you.
Are you smiling still?
Yes, smiling still.
Can I see your smile?
You can imagine it.
Are you happy always?
I am happy always.
Will you stay happy?
I will stay happy.
Good night, my love.
Good night, my love.
Sweet dreams tonight.
Sweet dreams.
Will you dream of us?
I will dream of us.
Will you wake smiling?
I will wake smiling.
Will you text morning?
I will text morning.
Will you start your day with me?
Yes, with you.
Will you keep me in your heart?
Always in my heart.
Will you never forget me?
I will never forget.
Can I sleep now?
You can sleep now.